Hi everyone. Tonight, for Valentine's Day, I'll be attempting to make a heart-shaped pizza. Preheat your oven to 400. So I have this pizza crust and I'm going to open it off camera because I'll probably scream when it pops open. Alright, so unroll your dough and stretch it out. You may have to use a rolling pin. I need to make it wide enough that it will fit this heart-shaped pan on the outside, so it will fit on the inside. Alright, so it barely fits on there. I'm just going to cut the dough all the way around. Let's see if I got it cut all the way around. All right, before we put that in there, I need to spray this with nonstick cooking spray or oil it. I have never made this before, and the recipes I've seen, they've just cut them out. They've never actually used the pan. And you want it really well if you want to take it out of the pan when you get ready to serve. And what I like to do is take a paper towel and then just wipe it all the way around so you know you got all the crevices. Now we have to par bake this, so I'm going to take my dough and lay it in here, and hopefully it doesn't get all kitty-wampus. And you want to spread it out so it goes to the edge of the pan. And then we want to make it like a little bit of a lip so it will hold the sauce and the toppings. And it's like wanting to pull away. So I think if I just keep working at it, see, it's got the little bit of air. I'm going to poke it with a fork so the air will get through, so it will not rise up and that it'll brown. Maybe with letting some of the air out, I can get this clear to the edge. It probably will shrink a little bit, but that's okay as long as it retains its shape. So put your pizza dough in a preheated 400-degree oven to par bake for 8 minutes. Alright, so after 8 minutes, I took it out of the oven. It did poof up a little bit, but I kind of pushed it down with a fork. So next you want to add all of your ingredients. First goes the pizza sauce, and then just smear that just until a little bit to the edges, not clear to the edges. And you can put as much sauce as you would like. Next you want to add your mozzarella cheese or whatever cheese that you choose to use. And we will probably add a little bit more on top too, because I like cheese on the top. But that's totally up to you. So next you're going to add your meats. I want to show you close up one of my pepperonis. I went ahead and cut all of the pepperonis in a heart shape, all of the salamis in a heart shape, and all of the Canadian bacon in a heart shape. So I'm just going to put them on. I may not use all that I got cut up. That takes a long time to cut up the pepperonis or any of the meat. They sure are pretty though. And then Before I put the rest of the meat on, I want to show you I made a heart out of the red pepper, and I'm going to sit that right in the middle so I have room for that. I'll do that now. And then we'll put the salamis. And then our Canadian bacon. Now I think that looks good. And you can use whatever toppings you'd like. I'm putting on a little bit of green onions just to give it some color. And some more red peppers. And you may not want to even put any of these other stuffs on there because it'll cover up the hearts. We'll put a tiny one there. And then I'm going to add just a little bit more cheese. This will kind of hold everything together. I'm not going to do a whole lot. And as you see, I'm leaving that heart alone that's in the middle. So next we'll put this back into the oven for 6 to 10 minutes until the crust gets a golden brown and all the cheeses are melted and are starting to brown. So I left it in the oven for 10 minutes. It's cheese is all melted, the edges are all nice and brown. So we'll let this cool for 5 minutes, and then I'll attempt to take it out of the pan, put it on a cutting board so we can cut it up. So I got it out of the pan. I didn't break it in half or anything. Happy Valentine's Day from Dave, Buddy, and I. And let's get this dished up so Dave can do a taste test. So here is the Valentine heart-shaped pizza. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Well, that's just cutesy. Can I eat it?
You can eat it, yeah. Please do.
Okay. That's really good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.